Hey guys, welcome back. It is the 21st of January 2025. Let's talk about it. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment if you want to see me making 600 today in 7 years. And I assume real life client stuff, real web development, real mobile development. If you are interested in that, please make sure to subscribe. Alright, let's get into it. So there are no new announcements, so we can immediately get to the good stuff, right to the meat, which is programming. It's going to be very short. I closed a new client. The new client is a cleaning services, and we're gonna make it websites not this week but next week, somewhere on stream. So if you're interested in that, how real web development will turn out, please make sure to subscribe. All right, so the other stuff is that we are working on mobile development, specifically React Native. We are making a real estate property website. It's like a mini Airbnb, mini Airbnb website. I'm getting thrown with a lot of back-end stuff like Google authentication, so you can create an account through Google. But I also saw other things such as a lot of logic, if and if not, and a lot of logic comes to is connected to another application called AppWrite and the 10 stack. I have never heard of this stuff and how this all works, so it's really difficult because I'm used to do a lot of front-end work, but you know, I'm having fun with it, so yeah, definitely gonna finish that one. It is very important that if you're going to ever go into mobile web development, that you can get used to back-end the development, how that actually works in the background. So that is definitely a side note for myself, that if I'm going to be really going into the depth, I should learn these concepts first before going to get great at that. So yeah, and in other words, we're also working on Vue.js. Still, we are expanding our resume with that framework. Again, in the last video I said, if you know React.js, you kind of know also the other JavaScript frameworks, especially when it comes to the front end. So yeah, there's nothing much to talk about. I'm trying to stay consistent and we're still building slowly. Yeah, I've nothing left to talk. It's just daily consistent stuff, and I will see you until the next video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment if you want to see me make a 600 today in 7 years, and I will see you until the next one.